A lot of streets were closed. It was blocked by mud, by boulders. We were not expecting this to happen. We thought that it was just going to be a night of heavy rains. And all we took with us was just clothes for that one night because we thought that we were going to be coming home the very next day. It's hard to describe when you see, that everything that you own has just been completely destroyed, covered in mud. So, yeah, it was just painful for us. The blanket serves as a reminder to us, to our family, about the kindness. I think it just gives us a good feeling to know that we have been helped and that we can then go ahead and try to return the favor by helping others.
There was more and more fires, and it's because of climate change is becoming rapidly worse, and that's why there's so many more natural disasters. It's just a cycle of disaster.
Just little things, like cutting down your shower by a minute, or turning off the light when you leave the house, or just shutting off the faucet when you brush your teeth. It's very easy for me, at least, to cut down on my emissions and our carbon footprint. So people should just get into the habit.
We grow a garden back home to grow our own vegetables, and we try to be as plant-based as possible. I think that everyone should try to adapt this sort of eating habits.
But they don't realize that, especially the farming with cattle, it takes a lot of water and a lot of time and a lot of energy and resources to farm those cattle, and so they should also sort of realize the significance of habits of having a more plant-based diet as well.
I think looking on the smaller side, things that we can do individually is living a more sustainable life to try to slow or stop climate change.
Let's leave for our children a planet clean and pure. Let's leave for our children a river crystal clear. Let's leave for our children a blue sky shining bright. Let's leave for our children